If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing PUBG, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag spikes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings to low graphics quality. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadows, and effects can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections tend to be more stable and can provide a more consistent gaming experience compared to wireless connections. Step 5. Update network drivers in-game. Ensure that your network drivers and the PUBG game itself are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can lead to performance issues, including lag spikes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with fewer lag spikes. Enjoy your game.